A very good afternoon, class 6th. As today we will start our chapter 14, which is about practical geometry. Chapter 14 about practical geometry. In this, see, here I kept some instruments of geometry box, right? And everyone knows about these instruments. One I am not having, so I made the figure of that one. So in practical geometry, what does mean? Practicals means which we apply in our day-to-day life, right? Practicals like in science, chemistry, physics, bio. You are doing the practicals, right? In class 6 also in some topics of science, you are doing practicals. So that things we have seen by our eyes, how they happen. That are the practicals. So in geometry, these are the few instruments which are used. And when you are going to start this topic, now you have to keep these all 5 instruments with yourself. In your geometry box, these should be there, right? So let's one by one, I will describe every instrument and I will tell you the uses of these one. So firstly, that is ruler. In geometry, we will say it ruler, or you can say scale. I know you all are saying scale, but in practical geometry, it is ruler. So, first is its description. What is ruler? A ruler is a flat rectangular object with markings. These are markings, right? Along both sides of the longer edges. Longer edges की side क्या है? Marking है from both side. One side is divided into centimeters. ये सेंटीमीटर में है आपका this side, and this one into inches. 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, right? Again, ruler is a, you can say, rectangular or object marking both side of the longer edges. See, length की तरफ से marking given है, right? One side centimeter and the second side is in inches. Clear? Now, where ruler use? A ruler is used to measure the length of line segment or to draw them. Where we use the ruler? Ruler we use to measure. We will use it to measure and to draw them. Clear? This is the use of ruler. Ruler used to measure and to draw. Now, the second one, this is compass. This is compass. Everyone knows it has one sharp tip and second one is which one hold the pencil like this. See, this is compass. Now, description about this. If anyone asks what is compass, compass have 2 movable legs hinged at a point. Hinged means they are binding at these 2 legs hinged here, they are at a point. One leg has a pointed needle. This one is the pointed, right? And at the other has a pencil holder, which one is this, right? 2 legs, one is pointed needle like this and other one is a pencil holder. Clear? This is about the compass. Now, where it is used? A compass is used to draw circles and arc. See, this tip we use to put at a point, this we use to put at a point like this. Now they will rotate. In this pencil holder there is a pencil whose tip we will make it like this up to it. Tip of pencil and this compass will be equal, and when you open it, how much gap you want between that, put anywhere and just draw like this. Rotate it and your circle will draw, and arc also. We also use it to mark of equal length without measuring them ruler. Without measuring the ruler, how you will mark? See. Firstly, you will open it how much you want. If you want the gap of, see here, if you want the gap of 2 centimeter, put one here, and this pencil tip which will come on this like this. So it will come up to 2. So if you need to draw the points with the gap 2 centimeter, one point will come here and other point will come here, and gap between these 2 points is 2 centimeter, right? And one more way to measure, how to measure with the compass, that point A and point B, these are the point I joint. Now if you have to measure the distance with point, put one here and this pencil tip here, that will be come like this, right? So this much. Now you want to measure, put it here 0 and it will be 5, like this. Clear? So this is the way and how we use the compass. So compass is used to draw the circle and arc, and we can use to measure the length. Now the third instrument, that is divided or divider. See, this is the divider. This is the divider. Divider also have 2 movable legs hinged at a point. So compass or divider, they both have 2 movable legs which are hinged at a point. Both legs have pointed needle at the end. Compass has only one pointed needle and divider has both pointed needles at the end. Now where divider used? Dividers are used to compare the length. Divider is used to compare the length. Like I have this AB and one more line PQ. I have to compare, is they both are equal? How I will compare? See, put one, this one, AB. Now same we will measure here. See, we will put on one point, either P or Q, right? So see, there is a difference between these. So see, here is the difference. So it means this one is smaller and this one is bigger, right? So dividers are used to compare the length. After this, our next is about the set squares. What are these? These are the pair of triangular devices. As you can see, these are the pair of triangular devices. The angles at the vertices of one of them are 90 degree. This one is of 90 degree and these are of 45 degree, right, respectively, and the angles at the vertices of the other are second set that are 90 degree, 60 degree and 30 degree. Right? These squares are used to draw parallel and perpendicular lines. These are used to draw parallel lines and perpendicular lines. Right? After this, the next and the last, that is protractor. That is protractor. Protractor and journal language you are saying it D. So what is this? A protractor is a semicircular geometric device with 180 equal division, each of which every stands for 1 degree. See here 0 to 10. In between 0 to 10 there are 10 lines. And every line, every small line equals to 1 degree. Right? And one more main point which you don't know, that always angles go up with this one. इस सीरीज में आपके एंगल्स आते हैं, आप ड्रॉ करते हो, यू विल ड्रॉ 60 यहाँ है, डोंट नो वेयर यू आर ड्रॉइंग, सम ऑफ आर लाइक दिस. सो बेटा प्रोटेक्टर इज वेरी इजी टू यूज. एंगल्स आपके फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट, राइट टू लेफ्ट. रिमेंबर दिस, राइट टू लेफ्ट. क्लियर? So these are the some instruments which we used in practical geometry. Now come to that, measuring a line segment. How you will measure the line segment? So for this, what we do, to measure the length of a line segment, we will place the ruler. So see how we will do that. Now make alert side. Now our topic is how to measure the line segment or measuring a line segment. So for this, what you have to do, this point is given, how you will measure it. Right? To measure the length of a line segment AB, firstly we will place the centimeter edges of a ruler. This side centimeter edges, this side inch edges है ये आपकी. This I told you in the when I give you the description of ruler. Now see, upper side where numbers are written, these are called the centimeter side, and down side where numbers are not written, this is inches. Now we have to put the scale or ruler straight line towards the centimeter edges, this one. You have to keep this beta, that जो आपका point है, that would be from 0. Right? Second step is place the ruler such that 0 mark of it is on the point A of line segment AB, like this. Right? Now locate the mark on the edges of the ruler which is on point B. Now we will go with like this. Right? So now which point is here? Here is 12. It means length of this line segment is 12 centimeter. Clear? ये तो था आपका how to measure a line segment. Now come to how to construct of a circle of given radius using compass. How to construct circle with given radii using compass. For this, what we will do firstly we will put the pencil into it, and like this you will make it equal. Now the radii is given here, that 3 centimeter. Radii is given 3 centimeter. Now how you will draw the circle? Put the scale, open the compass up to 3 centimeter and see how you will open it. 3 पे tip रखो and then see. Now it is equal to 3 centimeter, right? Now don't press it, leave it as it is, and then when you draw, take a paper. This is a board, so it will not see it properly. Just rotate like this with a very slow hand. Slowly आप इसको rotate करेंगे and it will make the circle, right? So now you clear how to draw the circle with the given radii. Now come to the next one, that is, next topic is construct a line segment of a given length. Next one is construct of a line segment of a given length. How you will construct that? See, as एंगल ड्रॉ करने के स्टेप्स होते हैं बेटा, सेम ही आप कोई भी आप सर्कल ड्रॉ करते हो, आप लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करते हो, देयर आर सो मेनी स्टेप फॉर दैट. So firstly we will mark, if we have to draw a length AB equals to 5 centimeter, this one we have to draw. So what we do for that? We will mark a point A anywhere on the sheet. Now 5 centimeter, take A, I put it. Now place the ruler on the paper such that this 0 of the scale will be on point A, like this, right? Now third is, mark the point on the paper, this one 5 centimeter, so here. Clear? Now what we have to do? Just join it. Now this is AB of 5 centimeter. Clear? After this, using a ruler and compass. So for this, if you have to draw a line, PQ equals to 7 centimeter. How to draw with compass? Mark as it is. Now take up to 7, put on 0, and this one is on 7. A little slightly difference है आप, so हम इसको lightly move करेंगे, and now see 7 and 0, right? So see once again 7 and 0. Clear? Now one anywhere I will keep this tip, and where I kept this pencil, the difference between these is of 7 centimeter, and now you will join and you will get the line of 7 centimeter with compass and ruler. Clear? After this, how to write the construction of a given line segment of unknown length. Constructions means होता है बेटा कि आपने कौन कौन से स्टेप लिए हैं टू ड्रॉ द लाइन, विच स्टेप यू वुड टेकन फॉर दैट, राइट, to find the line segment. So this we will discuss in the next lecture, and for today your work is try to do exercise 14.1. See, in this exercise the every step is there, right, up to K1 to S7. You can draw it very easily. So today work is try to do exercise 14.1.